My dear become final year students, research methodology and project report unit number 2. Consider these questions as most important. Meaning of hypothesis is very important, my dear students. Some notes is also available here. By taking a screenshot, you can write this. If it is come for 5 marks, you can do like this, my dear students. And this can be asked for short answer like null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. And if it comes for the long, my dear students, you need to write everything like continuation to the previous one, characteristics of hypothesis and basic concepts of the hypothesis testing. Yeah. Then, my dear students, in short, once I have seen a question like one tail test and two tail test, my dear students, I will show you the answer for that also. Just you have to go through this one tail test and two tail test. Is it clear, my dear students? Whatever I am showing, these are all from unit number 2, my dear students. You keep in mind. And a question like type 1 error and type 2 error. Do consider all these. Okay, anyhow, those questions are there like ANOVA is there, chi-square is there. Other than this, the possibility of getting these kind of questions is also there, my dear students. Do concentrate on this, whatever I have shown now. My dear students, if you want to learn the types of hypothesis tests, try to draw this diagram. With this, my dear students, uh, completely we completed unit number 2. And my dear students, you should have some idea on research methodology and project report. What is a research? You need to learn first. Actually, the word research refers to science and technology and pharma industry. Nowadays, research is done in every business, almost all, my dear students. Research is nothing but it's a scientific investigation to know something. If something happened, why it happened. If some solution to find, how to find the solution. Likewise, by collecting the data, my dear students, data can be collected by two ways like primary data and secondary data, and by making questionnaires. And there will be research process will be there, that is part of unit number 1, my dear students. Research design, research process, that will be there. Measurement and scaling, they are all part of that. But here in particularly, my dear students, you need to learn differences between parametric test and non-parametric test, my dear students. Then at last, those whoever done the project has to submit one report, my dear students. One report they have to give. Now the question arises, what is a report? Report is nothing but it's a final document showing the findings of the research done by a particular person by name a researcher. Okay, there are certain principles, my dear students, which I have given. The organization, the style, the structure, bibliography, and documentation, they are all part of principles, my dear students. Means a research will begin by collecting the data and ends by giving a report, my dear students. Have some knowledge, my dear students. This is such a paper where it includes some statistics and some kind of theory. And learning of the problem, most of the students are asking me, sir, is there a possibility of getting a problem in ANOVA? ANOVA is it's important for theoretical purpose. They mention clearly that only basics you need to learn theory only, my dear students. But in chi-square, try to learn a problematic part. I wish you all the best, my dear students, not to waste your time before exams.